one and only Pappy. I'm glad to know you, Pappy. Whoa! Hey, let's face to face, back to back, we'll shoot. Come on, we'll take them all on one at a time. That was a lucky break. Oh, I just found me Pappy, and now I am happy. I'm Popeye, the sailor's old man.
Thanks for watching Popeye and Pals. More classic cartoons are on the way on MeTV Tunes.
I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Now, quiet, everybody. No talking while the program's on.
Guess who?
The Woody Woodpecker Show is coming up right here on MeTV Tunes.
Guess who?
This beautiful panorama unfolding before you is a typical public golf course. It is on these fairways one hopes to find mental and
We'll be right back with more classic cartoons after the break. And now, a MeTV Tunes tune.
Throw a big party for this big smarty. I'm just pleased as punch to see your big fat head.
See how big it is.
Give him food. Waiters, baked, fried, boiled, or stewed. Yeah, don't forget a big old plate of bread.
Watch Freakazoid and other cartoons every day on MeTV Tunes.
Whether you're a professional driver or just a fan, vehicle breakdowns are costly.
It started tugging.
It started making some really weird noises.
The last thing I remember is just the engine cut out.
If your check engine light comes on tomorrow, the repair could easily cost thousands.
Is that transmission?
It's an exhaust leak.
Broken axle.
But with Endurance, you could never pay out of pocket for a costly repair again.
They covered a $14,000 engine replacement.
I had a seat sensor that went out, $1,400. Endurance paid it.
We got a brand new transmission, and we never seen the repair bill.
Use any certified mechanic you want. Just bring your car in, and Endurance will pay them direct. All major parts are covered.
What I like about Endurance, they don't play games, there's no middleman. They're a solid company.
If I didn't have Endurance, I would have paid over $7,000 out of pocket to repair my vehicle.
Something is going to break down. Make Endurance pay for it.
With Endurance, your car repair costs go way down, while your car's life expectancy goes way up, allowing you to drive more and pay less.
One claim alone saved me more than $4,000.
I've had 5 claims, and that is $3,500 that I've kept in my pocket.
So, who's going to pay for your next car repair? You or Endurance?
Whether you put 10,000 or 100,000 miles a year on your car, if it's less than 20 years old, Endurance has you covered with unlimited miles. Plus, your plan covers 24/7 roadside assistance anywhere in the country. Call right now to get $300 off any plan, plus a full year of our top-tier elite benefits, a $2,000 value free. And all Endurance plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. But you have to act now.
Call 1-866-971-2988. That's 1-866-971-2988.
We're back with more classic cartoons starting right now.
The Berry Family, starring Charlie Berry, Bessie Berry, and Junior.
dibby-doo, dibby-dow, boom, 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 boom.
More classic cartoons will continue in a moment.
We're not gonna let that scare us.
The doctor is in.
Yeah. What's up, Doc?
It's a primetime dose of ducks and rodents, fur that's been toasted, and crashed locomotives 6 nights a week. Watch Bugs Bunny and Friends tonight at 8/7 Central on MeTV Tunes.
Attention Medicare beneficiaries. Have both Medicare and Medicaid? Now's the time to explore your options and choose the coverage that's right for you. Choose a plan that offers you more benefits at no additional cost. Millions of members turn to WellCare for benefits and services that go beyond basic Medicare and help them lead better, healthier lives. Choose a plan with $0 or low monthly premiums, copays, and deductibles. And with WellCare, you don't just pay less, you get more. More dental with comprehensive coverage. More vision and hearing with an eyewear allowance and hearing aids. Plus prescription drug coverage with $0 preferred generics and free home delivery. Call us at 1-844-983-0096 to speak to a friendly licensed representative and request a free all-in-one guide. There's no obligation. We're here to help you review your options to see if a WellCare plan is the right decision for you. WellCare has a large network of quality doctors and specialists. And WellCare Medicare Advantage plans come with this all-in-one WellCare Spendables debit card to use for additional dental, vision and hearing costs, over-the-counter health items, even gas and groceries. Get convenient access to care with our telehealth services, including online doctor visits and free fitness benefits with online classes. WellCare has a contract with Medicare to provide Medicare Advantage plans. It's been serving those with Medicare, Medicaid, and prescription drug plans for more than 35 years. Call now. We're here to answer your questions and even assist enrolling you over the phone. Choose the company that puts your health first. WellCare. Call now and get a free copy of our all-in-one guide. 1-844-983-0096.
We're back with more classic cartoons.
You know, folks, there's no business like show business.
I'll be right back, Chitty dear.
We'll be right back with more classic cartoons after the break. When it's Sunday night on MeTV Tunes.
Wonder what's on TV.
3 full hours of Sunday night Cartoon All-Stars. The cartoons start at 8/7 Central on Sunday night Cartoon All-Stars.
I like cartoons. Don't you like cartoons?
On MeTV Tunes.
Saving money is now more important than ever for seniors. But if you purchased a $9.95 guaranteed acceptance plan, you could easily find yourself overpaying for very little life insurance coverage. With the $9.95 rate, a 65-year-old male receives less than $900 in coverage. For $10,000 in coverage, he would pay over $110 a month with a 2-year waiting period. Fortunately, with Senior Life Insurance Company, he pays less than $58 a month for $10,000 in protection. There's no waiting period, no medical exam, and he saves over $600 a year by choosing Senior Life. A 65-year-old female saves over $400 a year. Don't overpay for your life insurance. Call now to see how much money you could save with Senior Life. We could help you get cash back from your current overpriced policy. Call now to lock in your coverage and low monthly rate. For your free quote, call now.
Pretty Litter was the one that changed my world when it comes to cats.
My house never smells like cat litter. I don't have to worry about, if he's sick or not because I could tell by the color of the health monitor.
Because Pretty Litter changed colors, I was able to get my cat Larry to the vet and get him the help that he needed.
My favorite part about having it delivered, it's convenient, it's there when I need it.
It's different than any litter I've ever seen or used, which is why I love it.
So give it a try. Visit prettylitter.com today.
Every home tells a story. Hey, it's Christina Hall. Welcome to my home. With every home I design, from my house in Tennessee to here in Newport Beach, there's a signature touch that truly elevates the ambiance. These aren't just any Centene products. These are Hotel Collections cold air diffusers. In every part of my home, from the living room to the bedroom, this is the touch that truly sets it apart. Now available for you at hotelcollection.com.
Over 13 million Americans were affected by identity theft in 2022. And the threats go way beyond just credit card fraud. Today's identity thieves can open loans, transfer home titles, and even commit crimes in your name.
Someone got my social security number, made a driver's license, and it was used for criminal activity.
Your information is exposed through online shopping, banking, even corporate data breaches. No wonder there's a new victim of identity theft every 3 seconds. Only LifeLock alerts you to the widest volume of threats all in one place.
I clicked, "That's not me," and LifeLock took it from there.
If you become a victim, a dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will work to fix the issue. All LifeLock members are backed by the LifeLock $1 Million Protection Package, including reimbursement for stolen funds.
I will be with LifeLock forever.
Enrollment takes just minutes. Call now or go online and use promo code GET25 to save 25% on your first year. Enroll now.
We're back with more cartoon fun, continuing now.
I'm trying to focus.
What do you know?
More classic cartoons will continue in a moment. And now, Amy TV Tunes Tune.
Baby, baby, you're gonna hear music tonight. Come on, fly with me. And now, E-Bop means I dig you. You heard the word, and that crazy word, and that word you heard. E-Bop means I love you. Come on, baby, I'll put you in orbit.
Watch the Jetsons and other cartoons every day on MeTV Tunes.
Here's why you should switch from Google to DuckDuckGo on all your devices. DuckDuckGo comes with a built-in search engine like Google, but it's private and doesn't spy on your searches. And DuckDuckGo lets you browse like Chrome, but it blocks cookies and creepy ads that follow you around from Google and other companies. And there's no catch. It's free. We make money from ads, but they don't follow you around. Join the millions of people taking back their privacy by downloading DuckDuckGo on all your devices today.
I used to think all doctors were the same. Then I switched to Oak Street Health. You see, this isn't your typical doctor's office. Instead of waiting around for me to get sick, they focus on keeping me healthy and feeling good. Hey, hey! Still got it.
Zion. No sugar, right?
And the best part, everyone at Oak Street Health is experienced with people my age.
At Oak Street Health, we specialize in caring for older adults like you with a focus on keeping you healthy. So don't wait. Call today.
Zion, we're ready for you.
Here people get to know me the old-fashioned way.
By listening.
This guy takes all the notes, so my doctor is all eyes on me, and I'm never rushed out.
Ready to go?
We get to know you better with longer appointment times, including same-day and next-day appointments.
Everyone gets their own personal care team. Hey, whether it's doctors, nurses, social workers, mental health support, even someone to help me understand my Medicare benefits. They all work together for me, myself, and I. Not to mention a 24/7 patient support line.
We customized a plan for him, and we can do the same for you.
Getting the care you need has never been easier because our team members work together to handle all your healthcare needs.
And you get all this with no extra cost. They even gather all your medical records and health history. So switching to their doctors is easy. And you can keep living your life your way.
At Oak Street Health, we specialize in caring for older adults like you. Call 855-261-8691 to schedule a visit and see why we are the only primary care provider to carry the AARP name. Oak Street Health.
I use my future building as a garage and a man cave, and I love it.
And now you can get the steel building you've always wanted and save big. Future Buildings and Toro, the world's leader in DIY steel building kits, is selling off selected inventory at rock bottom prices. Save 20%, 50%, up to 70% off selected models during this limited time inventory sell-off. Simply call the number on your screen or visit us online for a list of sell-off buildings. Call now.
We now return to more cartoons.
The show must go on.
Henry, tell your mother I won't be home for dinner.
We'll be right back with more classic cartoons after the break. Every Saturday morning, guess who's on MeTV Tunes?
Any ideas, Fred?
Not yet, but something will hit me.
Scooby-Doo, where are you?
Saturday morning at 10/9 Central on MeTV Tunes.
Hi, my name is Damian Clark. And if you have both Medicare and Medicaid, I have some really encouraging news that you'll definitely want to hear. Depending on the plans available in your area, you may be eligible to get extra benefits with the Humana Medicare Advantage Dual Eligible Special Needs Plan. All these plans include a Healthy Options Allowance, a monthly allowance to help pay for eligible groceries, utilities, rent, and over-the-counter items like vitamins, pain relievers, first aid supplies, and more. The Healthy Options Allowance is loaded onto a prepaid card each month, and whatever you don't spend carries over from each month. Other benefits on these plans include free rides to and from your medical appointments. You pay nothing for covered prescriptions all year long. All plans have dental coverage, which includes 2 free cleanings a year, fillings, and a yearly exam. They also have vision coverage, including vision exams and a yearly allowance towards eyewear, such as lenses or contacts, and hearing coverage, which includes routine hearing tests and coverage for hearing aids. They'll also have a $0 copay for the shingles and other routine vaccines at in-network retail pharmacies. Plus, your doctor, hospital, and pharmacy may already be part of our large Humana networks. So call the number on your screen now to speak with a licensed Humana sales agent. Would you love benefits like a monthly allowance? To help pay for eligible groceries, utilities, rent, and over-the-counter items. So if you have Medicare and Medicaid, call the number on your screen now and speak with a licensed Humana sales agent. If you're eligible, they can even help enroll you over the phone in a Humana Medicare Advantage Dual Eligible Special Needs Plan. So call now. Humana, a more human way to healthcare.
Every relationship has its ups and downs. The Tom and Jerry Show, today at 5/4 Central on MeTV Tunes. We now return to more classic cartoons on MeTV Tunes.
Everybody thinks I'm crazy.
What have I done? I'll forget about the loan. Look, I'll tear it up. Just speak to me. Speak to me. Mammy.
How about a loan on the clock, Doc?
Thanks for watching The Woody Woodpecker Show. More classic cartoons are coming up on MeTV Toons. This is MeTV Toons. How about a game of cat and mouse? The Tom and Jerry Show is coming up.